Hello everyone, start off by taking a white circular sheet of paper, then take a red semicircular piece of paper, then stick it, and then add a cylindrical shape of clay to the edges of it. Add little black dots all over the red piece of paper, and then at the top add a frog and a leaf. Next, take some yellow clay, spread it on a white circular sheet of paper, and then do the same with green and orange clay as well. Add little white, green, and brown polka dots all around, add a stem to it, and make it look like ice cream. Next, make a leaf-like shape out of some green clay, then wrap some around a twig as well. Add purple little balls all around and then make it look like it is grapes. Take a white circular sheet of paper, then take a blue marker and then make these squiggly lines all around in a circular shape. Now add a red ball of clay onto your sheet of paper and then make indents on the side. Do this with different colors. Next, take a white circular sheet of paper, then take a green crayon, make these lines onto it. Using a earbud, begin to spread it out as such to make it look like leaves. Add another lighter color at the back as well. Now add this to the top of it to make it look like a peacock tail and then add the body in the front. Draw on the legs using a marker, add grass to the bottom. Next, cut out some triangular and circular shapes out of different colors of paper. Now stick them onto this paper as well. Now add different layers of green and white clay to it as such. Make it look like different pieces of watermelon. Take a black marker and then add multiple lines to it, make the bark of a tree as such. After you are done with this, add another small piece to the side. Take multiple green balls of clay and then stick them all around your tree as such. Do this for the smaller tree as well. Take an orange marker and then make a semi-ovular shape out of it. Then take multiple pink balls of clay and then gather it together. Flatten it using any sort of flat object and then add a red center to it. Add this all around the baseline and then add leaves to it. Add any sort of number in the middle of it and then add clouds to the top. Thank you for watching.